Today we're going to talk about what is the purpose of CRM. When you get it all implemented, are you all done? Or where does it go from there? Well, if you've watched our other videos, you know that we espouse a philosophy of crawl, walk, run. And with this approach, the idea is to start with a very small, manageable project that's short and gives you a quick return on your investment, and it starts with that fundamental minimum viable product. So whatever it is that you need to be successful. For a lot of our prospects and customers that come to us, it's really basics. It's the customers and accounts, so the contacts and accounts that you're dealing with, the prospects and customers, and maybe partners and suppliers. It's activities, phone calls, emails, appointments, things that you send them, in any interaction with those folks. Opportunity management, so just tracking your pipeline, your sales, things like that. And then sometimes there's customer service tickets as well. So you start there and then you build on that. So the whole goal is to solve the problem of we don't know what we don't know. And we hear this a lot from companies that come to us, and they don't know what CRM is going to do, and you could see a demo 100 times and you're really not going to know exactly what it's going to do for you and how it works and how it's going to change your lives until you've implemented it. So the idea is you implement it, you set that up in your company for people to get quick wins, and there's automatically a quick win for most of our prospects. Most of our prospects come to us, and if you're like them, you're probably using spreadsheets and email and maybe your accounting data to track your sales. It's not very workable, and as the world has gotten faster, a lot of things fall off the radar. People drop the ball on things. There's just a lot of problems with it. You also can't get knowledge that the information that you need to make informed decisions for today and for the future. You don't know what's going on with your people, you don't know what's going on with your customers, because all the information is scattered around the company in different silos of people's heads or in their email and their spreadsheets. So CRM will bring all that together, and you can start with some quick wins there, and then you adopt this culture of constant improvement. And I covered that a little bit in our crawl, walk, run video, the too fast, too soon video. And this is an extension of that. The idea is that you want to approach CRM not as we're going to be done on this date, but it's the start of a revolution in your company. It's the start of something that's going to give you power to reach today's goals more effectively, more efficiently, lean, mean, and profitable, more responsive to your customers, more adaptive, more flexible, be able to get out in front of things faster. Just make sure that you deliver a consistent, high-quality experience for your customers. And once you get that done, you will have a platform that will evolve and change for the future. And Microsoft CRM and the CRM in a Can, the lower-end starter package that we recommend for really small businesses that just have real basic needs, both of those products are being invested in constantly. There's always new ways that you can take those and automate things, streamline things. You know, I'm sure you've heard of AI, so ChatGPT is like growing in popularity. Microsoft has invested so much in making sure that businesses like yours that use the Microsoft CRM products or the CRM in a Can product can get AI at a small business price. So it's really cool, and that's just one example. There's things that you can do from automation, so simple things like I send a proposal out and the system will remind me in 2 days to follow up with that prospect. Or maybe if it's under a certain threshold, the system automatically emails that prospect and says, hey, did you get the proposal? Do you want to talk? And so it's like little things like that that will help you streamline your business and ensure that no one is missing a step in your sales process or your operational flow, because the system starts to do a lot of those things for you. That allows you to move faster and faster. And so our whole approach is based on that crawl, walk, run. So you start simple, and then you start going on your journey. It's not a destination. You're going to be going on a journey for as long as you want and as fast as you want. Some of our customers will iterate their system once a year. Some will do it once a week. So it really depends on how fast you want to go and how much you want to invest in the technology to help you become that business of the future that responds faster and outcompetes. So hopefully this helps. It's a pretty short video, but that's kind of the strategy. And yeah, the answer is CRM is not a destination. A lot of companies will fall into the trap where they'll say, okay, we've adopted it. We've implemented CRM. We're done. I don't think that works that way. And if you want, I said I was done, but I'm going to keep going a little bit. if you want, one of the things that we do to help ensure that long-term adoption is we have a virtual coworker program. We call it OnTrack. And so what OnTrack does is it's a membership. It's almost like having a personal trainer at the gym. So a lot of people will get gym memberships and they will not use the gym, or they'll go and do weights or play racquetball or something every once in a while. Well, CRM is a lot like that. You can have that gym membership and just really not get a lot of use out of your CRM. But if you get the personal trainer at the gym, they're going to make sure that you hit your goals. And so we act as a personal trainer for our customers with our virtual coworker model, the OnTrack program. And so the way OnTrack works is we set you up in a team. You're going to be able to collaborate with us in real time, and there's all sorts of benefits to it. Unlimited tech support, unlimited coaching, unlimited guidance. You get access to we've got a growing library of add-ons that help make Dynamics and CRM and Can a lot stronger for you. So there's a lot of benefits to having that virtual coworker model. And going back to the journey versus the destination, that OnTrack program, that virtual coworker model, will help you because we're going to get tapped into you and your business needs and your people's needs, and we're going to give you advice, we're going to give you recommendations, we're going to be there for you if you want to talk about how you could build a dashboard, how you build an automation, and how do you take advantage of the things like ChatGPT.